We have six
Said 100
zeros.
times
Six.
100 times 100, and you said we have 6 zeros here. Great. Let me write them in the answer. 1, 2,
1 multiplied
4, 5, 6. Then 1 times 1 times 1. What is 1 times 1 times 1?
1 times 1. It will be 1000 because 1 times 1 equals
No,
1.
no. What is 1 times 1?
1.
1. Great. And if I multiply another 1, what is the answer? 1. So we need to write 1 in the answer. So the answer now is 1 million. 1?
Wow.
1 million. This is our lesson today, boys. Rosen,
Multiplied.
Yeah,
what is your question?
I want to answer.
Okay, listen carefully to this and then you can answer the question. 10 times 10. You said it's 100, right?
Yeah,
Now we are going to change this form and write a new form. What is the new form? How many tens do we have here?
2.
2 tens. Just write 1 10, okay? And then put 2 on the top of this 10. No.
Okay.
Put 2 on the top of this 10. Again, since we have here 10 and 10, we can write it like 1 10 and only 2. Why I wrote 2 on the top of 10? Because we have here 2 tens. Okay, and 10, we can read it like the second. You can write it in your notebook. The second power of 10. The second power of 10. Write it please in your notebook. The second power of 10. If I write 10 power of 2, 10 power of 2, Rosen, you can write it's equal to what answer? It's equal to 100.
100.
You understand that?
Yeah.
Another question. 10 times 10 times 10. Can we change this form?
Yeah.
Yeah. How many tens do we have here?
3.
Yeah. So write 1 10. And what should I write on the top of this 10?
3.
3. And we can say the third.
Third power of 3.
Great. The third power of 10.
Oh, 10.
The
Mister,
power of 10. Yes, Muhammad.
can you go up?
Okay.
Right.
From
No,
where?
not here.
Down?
Yeah, this, yes.
Abdullah Mahfouz, why don't you write? Record all of those notes.
Number, where do I write? In my notebook, I write.
Yes, in your notebook, please.
Okay, can I, before I write, can I go to the bathroom?
Quickly, in less than 1 minute. Yusuf, are you writing? Manaf, Mu'taz, Abdulaziz, Ahmed, Yusuf, Ammar. Are you writing?
finally
boys?
got book. Let's got a notebook. I'm writing.
Quickly. Jamal.
Okay. Yes,
Ammar,
teacher.
are you writing?
Yes.
Write 10 to the second power.
Can I answer?
Or the second
Can I
power of
answer
10.
the question?
Yes,
Can I answer?
you can answer, yeah. Muhammad Sultan, now you are here. Muhammad Sultan, you are here.
Yeah.
Okay. Is Muhammad Tarbush with us or absent?
It was one. I think I don't know. He was in the last.
Yeah.
He was in the last
Well,
class.
Yusuf Ouda, You're going to answer question.
What's the question?
Look, the question is 10 times 10 times 10 times 10. Write it in a new form, our new form. What is our new form?
10 and the 4 thing, the 4
10,
number.
and on the top we are going to write what number?
4.
4. We can say it's 10 to the power 4. 10 to the power 4, or we can say the fourth. Yes, say it. The fourth power
The 4th power
of what number? Of 10.
of
Of
10. What?
Fourth power of 10. Done?
Done.
And F writing?
Mister,
Writing this one.
writing the
The fourth power of 10 and the third power of 10, the second power of 10.
Yeah.
Mister,
Yeah.
Mister, look, if you write 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, it's the lesson is you just like need to put 1 10 and the other 10s, but you put it in numbers.
Which one do you mean?
Like 10 and you put 4 above it.
Yeah. The last example, 10 times 10 times 10 times
It's like shortcut, right?
10? Yeah, it's like a shortcut. Great. 10.
Mister,
We
Mister.
can call 10 here as base, and 4 is called exponent. What? Say it. Exponent. Exponent. This power is called exponent, and the big number here is called base. Now let's listen to this video to ensure our knowledge.
Yes, because we have many knowledge in our claims.
Welcome to 5th grade math with Mr. J. So in this video, we're going to be going over powers of 10 and what powers of 10 are, and we're also going to be looking at patterns within powers of 10. That's very important. And you might be thinking to yourself, what the heck are powers of 10? I promise by the end of this video, you'll have a pretty good understanding and you will see some patterns within the numbers we're talking about here. So this is the instructional video, and the best way to learn about powers of 10 is just doing some examples. Okay, so we're going to start down here, and I'm going to start with our first power of 10, which is just 10. Okay, and 10 equals 10. And you'll see why I'm putting an equal sign here as we go down. We all know what 10 is. Now let's do two 10s. Let's do 10 times 10. And hopefully we know that 10 times 10 is 100 equals 100.
Yusuf, hold the concentrate, please.
Now as I go down, see if you recognize a pattern here. Let's do 3 10s. 10 times 10 times 10 equals 1,000. How about 4 10s? 10 times 10 times 10 times 10 equals
Abdul Mohsen, concentrate.
10,000. And then let's do one more. Let's do 5 10s. 10 times 10 times 10 times 10 times 10. If you're noticing a pattern, you can probably figure out what this is going to be right away. And hopefully you're thinking 100,000. Now, I could go on forever. I could put 10 times 10 times 10, 100 times if I wanted to. But let's cut it off at 5. This is plenty to recognize our pattern. And if you haven't caught on yet, I would suggest taking a look at the amount of zeros in our number here. How many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many 10s did we multiply together here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It matches exactly. This right here, when we expand our tens out, we have 5 tens there. We can call that expanded form for our powers of 10. Expanded form. This right here, where we write out our numbers, 10, 100, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000, is just standard form. And then this one, this next one might be new to you. Exponential form, which is
Abdul Mohsen.
Mister,
Just explain the last example here, which is 10 times 10 times 10 times 10 times 10. Why the teacher here wrote it as 10 to the power 5? Why? What is the reason?
because it's the amount of zeros and the amount we time 10 is the same number that is the exponent.
Yeah, so do you mean that we have here 5 tens?
Yeah, we do need
Just pick up 1 10 from them, write it as base, and write the number of tens here on the top of this 10, which called
or you can write the number of the zeros in the answer.
Great. Ahmed Walid. Abdul Mohsen said, in the last example, we are going to write 10 to the power 5. What should we write here in this example? In this example, look at this one.
Yes.
How can we write it in terms of exponent?
Oh, well, we add the 0.
Can we write it as like this form?
Yes, we can.
What should I write?
This form is the power of 10.
Yeah, right. Only 10. And what
This is 4.
Yeah, 10 to the power 4. Thank you.
And the same.
The same, yeah, I can do the same. Danny,
Yes.
look at this one and tell me the short form of it.
The short form. The short form.
10 to the power.
It's 10 and then write 3.
Yeah, 10 to the power 3, or we can say it's 3, the third power of 10. Thank you.
Wow.
Ahmed Sultan.
Yes.
Look at this one. 10 times 10. We should write 10, and what is the number on the top here?
10 times 10
Yeah. Look,
is 100.
that's right. How many tens do we have here, Ahmed?
0.
I know we have. How many zeros do we have?
2.
2 zeros. So we write here on the top 2. Okay.
Okay.
That's great. Thank you, Ahmed.
Welcome.
Mu'taz, wake up, please. Are you sleeping?
Yes. No. Yes.
Since we wrote 10 times 10 is equal to 10 to the power 2, what should we do with this one?
This one,
It's 10 power what number?
it's just 10.
To the what power on the top?
It's the power of 1.
Perfect. Thank you, Mu'taz. You are just
Yes, no problem. But please don't unmute
smart
me.
students. Thank you. I'm gonna mute you, Mu'taz. Thank you, Mu'taz.
No.
To listen. So let's complete the video.
Is 10 to the 5th power. And all that means is expand 10 out 5 times. 10 times 10 times 10 times 10 times 10. I think I got 5 there. So let's do this one in sorry, let me back up. That is exponential form. Exponential form. Times 10.
Abdulaziz, are you playing?
I'm throwing my tissue away.
exponential form. These are nice and easy to work with because these patterns, we have 10 to the first power. Notice our pattern as we go down. Numbers of zeros, numbers of tens, and the exponent all match. Now a little short lesson on that exponent, the exponential form. Our 10, the bigger number, is called our base.
What we call our big number here, Abdullah?
Mr. Why did you unmute me?
You can.
Yes.
What we call this number? Base.
10.
Yeah, this is 10. We are going to write 10 down and we are going to write number on the top. In this form, this number down is called base and the number on the top is called exponent.
And it is the number we expand out however many times our exponent tells us. Let's do 10 to the power of 2. This, our little number in the top right, is called an exponent.
So what we call our little number here on the top? Rosen?
Yeah.
What we call our little number here on the top?
Power of 10.
Exponent. Exponent. And what we call this big number here? Base and exponent. Mu'taz, wake up please. Sit down. No sleeping now.
Now the most common mistake is to say 10 to the second power equals 20. It means 10 times 2. That is not correct.
Okay. Yusuf Hazem.
Yes.
Ask another question, please.
Okay.
What is the difference between those two questions? Get ready. Are you want to sleep?
I really want to sleep. Really.
You want to sleep?
Yes, but I can't right now.
Okay. 10 plus 10 plus 10, and here we have 10 times 10
Equals 30.
times 10. You said
Easy.
the first one is equal to 30?
And the second one equals to 1000.
1000. Okay, which one we can write it on the short form, like base and exponent?
The 10 times 10 times 10.
But we can do the same thing with this one.
Yes, you can. I
We
didn't
can
say
write
no.
this one like 10 to the power 3.
Yes.
No, we can't.
How?
Don't do that with addition operation. We just do this with multiplication. Okay? So we can write down here 10 to what power? To the power 3.
3.
You understand?
Give me another question, please.
Another
Yes, can you
question?
give me another question?
Another question, no problem. 10 times 100 times 1000
What? Okay.
is equal to 10 to what power here? I'm waiting for your
Hold
answer.
up.
Look, boys, to this question.
One second.
Question will come in.
I know it.
Question is 100,000.
I said 10 to what power? 10 to what power? Can I give you a very simple trick to find the answer? No. Can I give you a very simple trick to find the answer?
Sure.
Just count the zeros here. How many zeros?
7.
Are they 7 zeros here? this
It's
question?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6.
Power 6 is, so we can write here 10 to the power 6.
I did not very know that. I did not know that at
Now
all.
you
I did
understand
not
that?
Yes.
Thank you, thank you, Yusuf. Muhammad Sultan?
I thought this it was the last thing I expected.
Yeah.
Yes.
Muhammad Sultan, 1 million times 10 is equal to 10 to what power here? In the
Wait.
square?
Seven.
7 power. Thank you very much, Muhammad. Abdullah?
Yes.
Please open your book.
Page what?
Page number page number 24, please. Boys, open your book, please. Page 24. Page 24. Page number 24. Quickly. Mu'taz, why don't you open your book? Who wants to answer number 1? Mu'taz.
Yes.
Write in exponent form and word form. Exponent form, the question is exponent form and word form. Okay. What is the exponent form of this question? 10 times 10.
No. 10 times 10. 10 times 10.
It will be
You
10
write
to what power?
10. Like 100.
I
Write
know,
100.
but we want to write exponent form, like 10 to what power?
Okay, so you have to write 2. You have to write 2.
On the top, small number here.
On the top. On the top. And the word form is
Yeah.
100.
No. The word form, you have to say the second.
Oh, the second 10.
Power? No, the second power.
The second power of 10.
Of 10, great.
Yes, thank you.
Power of 10, thank you.
I-
Rosen? 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 Rosen, did you travel to space? Ahmed? Question 2, it's yours, man.
Okay. 10 times 10 times 10 times 10.
Yeah, it's 10 to what power?
It's 10 to 4.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Try again, please.
What?
It's 10 to what power here on the top?
It's 4.
That's right, thank you. And what is the word?
Mister. Okay, the word form is this, the 4th power of 10.
That's great, the 4th power.
And Mister,
Yeah.
I understand the
lesson.
I understand the lesson so much. I used to always ask Siri. I wanted to try a glitch, and I used to always say, "What is 1 divided by the 10th power?"
1 divided to the 10th power. Divided.
Yes.
It's not included in your curriculum this year.
Yes, I know, but I used to ask her that, and now I understand what's the 10th power.
Thank you. Yes, Abdul Mahsen.
Actually, I made a beat with Google. I tell you what, I just asked Google, what is 1 trillion to the 10th power?
Really?
Yeah, it was. She was like
1 trillion to the 10th power?
Yeah, let me show you.
It's a very, very big number. We can't write that on only one paper.
Here it is. Like,
Okay, show us. Boys, Abdul Mohsen tried to write 1 trillion to the 10th power.
hey Google, what is 1 trillion to the 10th power?
Let's see. The answer. If one number stop.
It will, what in a
A lot
while?
of zeros, of course. A lot of zeros.
I can't hear you.
Okay, Abdul Mohsen, stop it, please. But this is a very good question. Ahmed Sultan. Ahmed.
Yes. Yes.
Find the value of 10 to the power 2. 10 to the power 2. What is
Okay.
10 to the power 2? How many zeros do we have here? If we write 2 on the top.
2.
What is this number, Ahmed? The small number on the
10.
top?
2.
2. So how many zeros do we have here?
2.
That's right. 1, 2 zeros, and then write. You understand?
Okay.
Great.
I understand.
Let's try with number 4. Here we have question. It's called this question is 4 times 10 to the power 2. The number 4, all of us know it, but the problem here is 10 to the power 2. What should we write 10 to the power 2? We wrote it before like 100, right?
Yes.
4 times 100, because 10 to the power 2 is equal to 100. What is 4 times 100, Ahmed?
2.
No, 4 times 100. Try it. Take your time.
Okay.
And look, don't look at Abdul Mohsen. What is 4 times 100?
400.
Perfect. Amazing. Thank you. Okay. Abdullah. Question 5.
Yes.
7 times 10 to the power 3. 7 times 10 to the power 3. What is 10 to the power 3, Abdullah?
10 to the power of 3 is the third power of 10.
Wait. What is 10 to the power 3? Look at the power. What is the number?
The 10. It's 10.
No. This number on the top, the small number, the little number.
3.
3. So that means we have 3 zeros. 1, 2, 3 zeros. And then write 1 next to them. Okay?
Okay.
Then try to multiply 7, the 7 by 1000. What is 7 by 1000?
7,000.
Thank you. Record the answer, please. Record the answers in your book. We don't have much time. Abdullah? Abdullah, how do you find this lesson?
Easy as pie.
Perfect. Abdulaziz, how do you find this lesson?
Easy as pie.
Easy peasy, lemon squeeze like a big fat cheese.
Muhammad, how do you find this lesson? Is it easy, Muhammad?
But Mister,
Yeah.
I want to ask you something.
Yeah.
In page 27, tell me and the question 7. 8 multiply 10 and up to 10 0. What I do here?
You are trying to do the homework now?
No, just I ask.
What question?
Mister, can I say something?
Yeah.
I know an answer that is pretty quite
easy, I think.
Okay.
The answer is, wait, what is it again?
So wait a
Oh,
minute, please.
it's-
Muhammad, what question is this? Question number what?
7. 7.
7. Question 7. Question 7, we have here 8 times 10 to the power 0. Any number to the power 0 is equal to 1. Is equal to 1. So we can write here 8 times 1. This one is
Times
equal
1
to 1. 8 times 1 is equal to 8. Okay? Thank you,
And I
Mohammed,
write
for your
8.
question. Yeah. Thank you for your question, and thank you, my dear little friends, and see you the next time.
Mr. answer
Goodbye.
What is the
Mr.
homework?
Mr.